Hi everyone, welcome to SRE Chronicles. In today's video, we will learn how to use Whoami command. If you are learning Linux, DevOps, or SRE skills, make sure to subscribe my channel, like this video, and share it to support the channel. Let's get started. Whoami. The Whoami command is a lightweight Linux utility that displays the username of the currently logged in user. The Whoami command is a cross-platform utility that works on Unix-like operating system and Windows to display the current username. It is similar as running the id command with -un option. So id -un and Whoami. Let's explore common use cases Whoami command, checking if you are running as a root or normal user. So you can execute Whoami. Verifying user identity after switching users. Switching users you can do by su or sudo command. After that, you can execute the Whoami to checking under which user now you are logged in. How to display the current username in Linux? The answer is Whoami. Whoami is a simple command, but Whoami also have options. First option, -- help option. So let's execute Whoami -- help. This option is useful for quickly checking how the Whoami command works and what options are available. The second option, Whoami -- version. And you can see some information about Whoami command. Other way to know about Whoami, checking manual pages. Whoami. And you can see manual pages of Whoami. Let's exit from man pages by entering Q to quit. Whoami command displays only the username and doesn't show the numeric user ID. Let's clear the screen. Clear X. Whoami doesn't show UID, user ID. To view UID, you can use other command, id -u, and you see our user ID. That's all for this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, like and comment this video. Thank you. See you in the next video.